We should have paid better attention. Yes, we should have read the tiny print. We should not have been rushing. True. We should not have rushed, and we should have read that tiny print. We messed up when we were shopping. And we were going to share our story because it's only fair to tell the truth. We took my credit card. Yes, I'm a camel with my own credit card. We were shopping on Belk on their website, and we had heard that they had a little something on clearance at a really great price, and we got that. We can't show it to you yet because it's for a future video. While we were there, we somehow got it in our warped little brains that by spending a certain amount, we would get, because we were still going to have to pay shipping, we would get this MAC little plastic makeup bag. We would get it and 3 items for free. So we said, hey, why not? We didn't pay attention. So it's a cute enough little plastic makeup bag. The zipper works great. I mean, it doesn't have to hold makeup. Honestly, this would be something I would put my keys and my wallet into, and then put that in a sack when I go to the beach, so that if something gets wet, my keys and my wallet are not wet. So, I mean, it's not a bad little thing. It's just we didn't pay attention to the tiny print. Yeah. We thought this, along with its 3 little accompanying items, the MAC Hyper Real Serumizer in 0.14 fluid ounce. Yep, there it is in all of its glory. We thought that was one of the 3 free items. The MAC Prep and Prime Plus. This is 0.44 fluid ounces. And the MAC Stack Mascara. Yep. Sample size. How big aren't you? I can't even find it. It's probably an, yes, there it is. 0.1 fluid ounce of mascara, of which I'm not opposed to trying. It's just we went too fast, so we learned our lesson and we're sharing it with you because it makes a good story time and a good reminder to everybody, pay attention when you shop. Yeah. Originally, apparently, these 4 items, I guess they counted the bag as a 4th item. Originally, that was on sale for $25. I would not have paid $25 for that. No, neither would I. Apparently, it was on clearance for $15, which I don't think I really would have paid that, but we did because we weren't paying attention. How about you? Would you have paid $15 for that? Would you have paid $25 for that? Did you ever mess up like we did? Comment down below. We are embarrassed that we made a mistake. Yet, mistakes happen. We learned our lesson. Pay attention to the tiny print. We were happy with the other 2 items we found. Yes, we did get something, as we said, for a future video. So we're not going to tell you what it is because we're sneaky. And the other item we did find, which it did turn out this was also on clearance. This is a salt scrub It can either be a body scrub or just a face scrub. It does mention that it can make the bottom of the tub slippery, so be careful on that one. This is Bali Breeze, and it has lemongrass and bergamot citrus in it. We've both taken a little sniff, and it does seem to be intriguing. So this had caught our attention, and it turned out it was also on clearance. Yes, I think it was 31 something down from 46 something. Let me check. Yes, that was a $48 item, and it was on clearance for $31. So again, a little pricey, but at the time it seemed like a good deal, and it will get used. And saving a few dollars there is always nice. Yes, get it on sale if you can. So, like we said, pay attention to the tiny print. Thanks for watching our story time on our oopsie. Comment, like, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. And we do hope to see you again in another video where hopefully our shopping habits have improved and we don't have any more oopsies. Oopsies happen, but pay attention to the fine, tiny print. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.